Hello students. Now in the retirement of partnership, today we will solve sum number 8 from textbook. First of all we read the sum that Jaya, Mamta and Smruti are the partner sharing P&L in the ratio of 2/5, 5/10 and 1/10. Balance sheet of the firm on 31st/3/16 was is under. Now see here, this is the old balance sheet. Now first of all look at the balance sheet. First of all look at the asset side. Goodwill is given. This is the old goodwill. So this goodwill is to be distributed in between all partners in their old ratio. Then after building machinery, investment, stock, debtors, loan to Smruti is given. Then after current account of Smruti is given. That means here current account is given. So capital account becomes fixed. Now liability side, creditors are given, general reserve is given, so that is the reserve. So that general reserve is to be distributed in between all partners. Then capital accounts given, current account of Jaya and Mamta that is given, and BDR is given. Now then after see the adjustments in that Smruti retired on 1/4/17. Smruti is retiring from the firm. At the time of her retirement, partners decided that first 4,000 is outstanding for rent payable. 4,000 that is outstanding. Then interest on investment is receivable rupees 2500. So for this we pass separate effect for this. Then after investment to be sold for 35,000. Now see why we pass separate effect for interest on investment, because see investment 33,000 is given. Now the whole investment we are selling for rupees 35,000. So we have to pass separate entry for the interest on investment. Then after goodwill of the firm is valued at 2 lakhs. This is for the working of the goodwill. Jaya and Mamta's future profit in the ratio of 1:1. Right? So new ratio is 1:1 and old ratio is 2/5, 5/10 and 1/10. Now we have to make these equal. Right? We have to make the denominator equal, and then we find out the new means revised old ratio, not the new old ratio, revised old ratio. Right? So first step is to draw all the specimens. Second step is to do working for gain ratio and goodwill. Now see here, gaining ratio I have found out. Gaining ratio is equals to new ratio minus old ratio. Now say Jaya, Mamta and Smruti, there are 3 partners, 4:5:1. Right? This is their old ratio and new ratio is 1:1. Smruti is retiring from the firm. So now we find out gaining ratio for Jaya and Mamta. So new ratio that is 1/2, old ratio that is 4/10 is equals to 1. इसको आप simplify करोगे minus करके, so that comes 1/10. Then after Mamta's new ratio that is 1/10, old ratio 5/10. So Mamta is neither gaining nor sacrificing. Right? Okay. So gaining ratios working is over. Now we do working for the goodwill. Firm's goodwill that is valued at rupees 2 lakhs. Now here Smruti's share that is 1/10. Smruti retire हो रही है तो उसकी ही हम goodwill निकालेंगे. So Smruti's share that is 1/10. So 20,000 comes. So goodwill of the Smruti that is 20,000. Now the whole 20,000 that will be received by the Jaya only. Why? Because Mamta neither gaining nor receiving. So Mamta's share that is 0. So whole 20,000 that will be received by Jaya only. So entry. Now the entry that Jaya's current account debit. Why I have written current account? Because your balance of current account is given, so capital account becomes fixed. So Jaya's current account debit 20,000 to Smruti's current account credit 20,000. Smruti becomes giver, Jaya becomes receiver. So debit the receiver and credit the giver. So working is over here. So now we move on to the accounts or ledgers. Now see here, first of all, always first step is to write down balances of capital account and balance of cash or bank account. Here current account is given, so write down opening balance of current account also. First of all, start with by recording balance of current account, that by balance brought down Jaya, Mamta and Smruti. Their capital account is 2 lakhs, 1 lakhs and 90,000 is given in the sum. Then after current balances of current account, now see in the sum, Smruti's current account is given on asset side, that means debit side, and Jaya and Mamta's current account balance is given on credit side. So we record in the current account accordingly. So see, by balance brought down, Jaya and Mamta both are on credit side, so that is recorded on credit side, and Smruti's balance given on debit side, so that is recorded on debit side. Now we record now see here, cash and bank account is not given in the sum. See here on asset side neither cash nor bank balance is given, so we do not prepare cash or bank ledger, right? Okay, so now the next step, third step, that is pass the ledger posting entry of the goodwill. Now see the goodwill's entry, that is Jaya's current account debit to Smruti's current account credit. So now we ledger post that Jaya's current account debit. So see, debit side reverse them to Smruti's account, amount in the column of Jaya. Why? Because we are giving effect in the Jaya's account only, right? Now on credit side, Smruti के column में by reverse name by Jaya's current account, amount in the column of Smruti. This is the ledger posting. Now the next step. Next step is to transfer all the balance sheet particulars into the new balance sheet, right? Now see here on asset side, first of all goodwill is given. Goodwill, that is 30,000 is given. So this 30,000 is to be distributed in between all partners in their old ratio. Old ratio is 4:5:1. So see, goodwill, by goodwill account 12,000, 15,000 and 3,000. 30,000 को हमने 4:5:1 में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया है, right? Okay. Now see, asset side, whatever assets are given on asset side, that all will transfer into the new balance sheet. Now see, this is our new balance sheet. Title of the balance sheet, that is balance sheet as on 1/4/16 after retirement, right? Okay, so now see, this is the old balance sheet. Goodwill is distributed. Now building 2,80,000, so write down as it is because there is no adjustment is given. Then machinery 1,45,000 is given, so write down machinery 1,40,000 as it is. For the investment, one adjustment is given. See, adjustment, investment to be sold for ₹35,000. Now whenever we are selling any investment, either we receive cash or check, so we write down that as cash or bank, and amount that is 35,000. Now see here, original value of investment, that is 33,000 is given. See here in the old balance sheet, investment 33,000 and we are selling it for 35,000. That means there is a profit of rupees 2,000 rupees. So that profit is to be recorded in the revaluation account credit side, rupees 2,000, right? Okay, our investment amount 33,000, that is given in the old balance sheet. In the adjustment it is said that investment is sold for 35,000, right? ये 35,000 में sold किया, old value was 33,000, so there is a profit of rupees 2,000. After investment, stock write down as it is, no adjustment. Debtors 50,000, write down as it is, no adjustment. This is loan to Smruti. Now loan to Smruti, that means we have to give loan to the Smruti, right? So here whatever balance is we have to give to the retiring partner, that is already given in the sum. We do not have to find out. तो यहाँ पे लिख देने का that to Smruti's loan account, that is 30,000 rupees. Now we need not to find out balance. Then current account of Smruti, that is recorded. Now the liability side. See, liability side, first of all creditors are given. So write down creditors as it is in the new balance sheet. Then after general reserve, now general reserve we distribute in between old partners, that means all partners in their old ratio. See this general reserve. By general reserve account, 28,000, 35,000, 7,000, all partners in their old ratio. That is to be recorded here, partners current account credit side. Now if current account is not given, then we record this in partners capital account credit side. Then after capital account recorded, current account recorded, now BDR is left, so bad debt reserve, write down as it is, bad debt reserve 10,000, because your old new is not given, so this we record on liability side, right? Now we check that which adjustment is left to record. This one is left to record, that 4,000 is outstanding for rent payable. So first effect, that is revaluation debit side, second effect liability side. See, outstanding rent account 4,000, revaluation debit. Why? Because this is our expense. So expenses ho, losses ho, decrease ho, so all these are to be recorded on revaluation debit side. Second effect we pass in balance sheet liability side. See, outstanding rent 4,000. So there are two effects. Now the next is that interest on investment is receivable 2,500. Interest on investment, that is receivable, right? Now first, if this is receivable, so this is our income. So income, that is recorded in revaluation credit side. See, by receivable interest on investment account rupees 2,500. Second effect we pass on asset side, receivable interest on investment, that is 2,500. This becomes our future asset or income, so asset side. Now the next is this is done, this is also done, this is also done. Now everything is over now, so now we make the totaling. First of all, we make the total of revaluation account, credit side comes higher, so write down that on both the side. Difference comes 500, so this 500 is to be distributed in between all partners in their old ratio, that is 4:5:1. Now this is the revaluation profit, so this is to be transferred to partners current account credit side. See, this is revaluation account profit, right? And then now make the totaling of partners current account. First of all, we make the total of Jaya and Mamta. तो जया एंड ममता का टोटल करके बैलेंस ये आया है, बैलेंस कैरीड डाउन, राइट, 22,200 and 34,250. Now we make the totaling of Smruti. Now Smruti is the retiring partner. So what we do for the Smruti, first of all we make the total of Smruti. Smruti में debit side comes higher than the credit side, 30,000, 3,000 and 10,000. So that comes 43,000. Debit side comes higher. So write down that on both the side. Now difference comes on credit side. That difference comes 15,950. So this is recorded as by Smriti's capital account. लोन हमने दे दिया है, बाकी इतना बचता है तो वो हम कैपिटल अकाउंट में ट्रांसफ़र कर देंगे. So by Smriti's capital account 15,950. Now this we transfer. This 15,950 we transfer in the capital account, right? Capital account debit side to Smriti's current account 15950. 15950. Now here debit side one if entry has come, so now we have to make the total of partners capital account. So total कर दिया. Jaya and Mamta balance carried down comes same, but there is a difference will arise in the Smriti's balance. Why? Because here 90,000 is given. 90,000 minus 15950 comes 74050, right? Okay, I think ये point आपको समझ में आया होगा. Now I am repeating this point again, that the totaling of Smriti. Smriti's loan is already given in account. So we write down Smriti's loan account. Now make the total of Smriti. The debit side comes higher. So difference arises on credit side. So that we transfer to the Smriti's capital account. Now why? Because loan has already given. उसको जितना पैसा देना था उसको हमने ऑलरेडी डिसाइड करके हमने डिसाइड कर दिया है कि उसको 30,000 देंगे, बाकी का उसको कैपिटल में देंगे, राइट? सो द अदर बैलेंस वी रिकॉर्ड एज Smriti's कैपिटल अकाउंट. नाउ दिस वी ट्रांसफर्ड इन द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. सो ऑन डेबिट साइड राइट डाउन Smriti's करंट अकाउंट. सो 15950 ये भी उसको देना है. सो नाउ वी मेक द टोटलिंग. सो डिफरेंस कम 74050. दिस इज फॉर द Smriti's current account, capital account balance. Now this we transferred in the balance sheet. First of all we write down capital of Jaya and Mamta 2 lakhs and 1 lakhs. Capital, now only two partners are left because Smriti has retired from the firm. Jaya का current account में balance ये लिखेंगे 22,200 and 34,250. ये Jaya में लिखेंगे. Now what about this 74,050? So this 74,050 we record as Smriti's loan account. 74,050 this we record as Smriti's loan account, right? Because whole amount we give her in the form of loan. So now make the totaling of balance sheet. So balance sheet that will tally at the end, right? Okay, so this is how we can solve the sum number 8 from the textbook. Write down this sum in your notebook and resolve this sum again. Practice yourself, right? Okay, so see you.